Smooth, powerful, and built for marine conditions, our heavy-duty marine battery switch is here to take control of your power system and the safety of your battery. With just a flick, you're managing up to 600 amps, continuous or a massive 2,500 amps cranking power, perfect for any marine setup. Featuring tin-plated copper bolts and nuts, it delivers reliable, corrosion-resistant connections every time. Each side panel is removable, making wiring super convenient, especially when handling large wire sections that are hard to twist. Clearly marked input and output terminals ensure zero guesswork when hooking up your system. Rated for up to 60 volts, this switch is all about durability, convenience, and performance. Available in 300A and 600A models, check out the full specs and wiring on our website, baywatt.com.